name either. Uh, you guys know the method of giving training. So guys, I'm working in one of the famous MNC right now, and I carry with me more than 10 years of experience. That will go above 14 years, but why I'm saying 10 years? Because that is pure technical experience I have. Technical training, production level troubleshooting, all those tech, multiple domains I worked in my career. And now, along with that, I'm also delivering training sessions for Cisco, Fortinet, Palo Alto, Juniper, and many more. Like in that particular sequence, if you consider F5 as a vendor, as well as Zscaler, all those, like almost all. And on top of it, I also deliver training in cloud, right? Cloud platforms like you have Azure, AWS, GCP, as well as now what a very hot topic in the market, that is AI and automation. So I'm currently actively working with AI part, like day and night, completely working with AI part. How we can make some AI automation for our networking, for our security. Yes. So very soon we'll be also including those sections inside our training that you'll be enjoying freely. No need to go for taking anything additional. If you are coming only for firewall training, that's enough. We already will be including those parts that is related to AI in the class. Yes. So this was very brief about me, and many of you already know me. If you don't know, like, you can go with my some pre-recorded demo or some live classes already available on our YouTube channel. You can go there and can watch, and even you can ask for some video recordings from the management. Like someone will be here most probably from that. Okay, that's very brief about me, guys. Now over to you. I just wanted to understand your expectation. What is your query? What is your concern you are bringing in the table? What is the expectation, especially you want that from us to get? Go ahead, guys. I'll be not giving more time. 8-10 minutes I'm giving you guys. Go ahead and kindly ask your questions. After that, I'm going to explain my syllabus that we are going to cover inside these upcoming multiple days. Yeah. 20, 20, 30 days. Yes. Over to you all. Go ahead if you have any question before starting. Really fun.
So, basically, I am starting that. Suppose if I complete this session, after that, I will be ready for the network security job role, correct? Like completed CCNA and then this firewall role session, then I will be able to join as a network security engineer. I'm hoping this.
You are hoping correct. In the case, if you are doing proper lab and other things, you are practicing well. Yes. That is subjective, right? So like just going through the training, not like you need to do proper, practice and all those things. Yes, you are ready.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Okay, I think no question. Anyone else after completing NSC4 is mandatory for NSC? No, there is no such mandatory thing, and there is not major difference in NSC4 and NSC7 also. So like this is totally what you want to understand further. What you
Hello.
want to go with further.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Hi.
I'm audible.
Yes,
Yes.
Kishore, you are.
Sir, can you tell me how many days we require to complete that course, and what is the fee structure of that?
Okay, days I can tell you. Fees I don't know what is the fee structure. You need to connect with someone
Sir, you can
from our
connect
team.
with their counselor. They will guide you for the same. Fayaz Ahmed.
Yeah, no
Okay.
issue. So simply either you will be getting called, don't worry. Okay, might be someone from them will be here. They'll be capturing you, huh? And they will be calling you. No issue. Anyhow, they know who you are, and like you enrolled already for the demo, na? So that's all right. So I would request everybody, please do not record it. We are already recording. If you need recording, that you can get on our YouTube channel. That's all right. Okay, no worry. It
Hi Amit,
makes.
good
Hi,
evening.
Savan. Hi, Savan.
Hope you remember me.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Yes. My expectation with this course will be to have a complete hands-on and lab training. Okay. That is the only thing.
Hey, it's you,
Yeah.
someone. Okay, but your laptop is good. Okay.
Yes, now it's working because of you only.
No, no, not because of me. You made much effort. Okay, good. Thank you,
Yes.
Sawan. Welcome to the class. I really
Yes.
appreciate you are here.
I have
Thank you.
specially requested them that I wanted to join your batch. Okay. So I have
Okay.
waited for a week of time for this.
That
Okay.
thanks a lot,
Yeah.
buddy, being here.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank
Thank
you.
you. So my expectation is only that I want to be
No,
a have a good
see,
hands-on.
I am that person who always will be telling you all the concept only using lab. I don't talk simple
Yes,
theory.
yes.
I always be lab is in center. Okay.
Yes, yes. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Hi, Faiz. You want to ask something? Please go ahead.
Yes, yes. My question is, many other institute will taught like something NSE 4 and 5, NSE 7 and 8, but you are going to teach NSE 4 and 7.
Mm-hmm.
Then I have doubt in this.
Okay. So once they are saying NSC 5, NSC 6, NSC 7, what do you understand from that? I have counter question.
Uh, it is like some latest version of firewall.
No,
Mm,
not like that, buddy. Let me tell you exactly how it is working. Huh? Wait.
okay.
So I hope so. My screen is through little bit. Everyone just confirm once.
Yes.
I hope you guys all heard about Fortinet.com. Thank you. Wrong question in the wrong forum, I think. Sorry. So you know their solutions already? See?
Yes.
Okay. Not telling it, huh? Don't worry. I'm going to go with the training part first. I think who is there, who is recording this class, and I'm not sure who is that
Sir,
buddy.
there is some background noise that is coming.
It's not from my end, I think. It's from my end.
Uh, don't know. I think two guys we are able to see.
Fiyaz Ahmed, please mute yourself.
Thank you. Someone new joined from management today. May I know your name, sir?
So just play this side.
Buddy, you should tell now. I'm just confused. Like, who is this? Like, I'm not getting the voice complete. Okay. Hi, Jasprit. Thank you. Thank you for joining. And thank you for being here. Okay, guys, see. Once they say NSC certification program, who was that question? Faiz. But
Yes, sir.
listen, first of all, once you see NSC 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 also, it does
Yes.
not mean they are giving you understanding on the version level. No, like their 40 ways, everywhere is the same. Getting it?
Okay.
These are the, you can say, level of training or what skill they are teaching you in that. Getting me? So,
Okay.
for example, let me give you a quick idea. You will understand it completely. So, either you are going for 5, 6, 7, and 8, but 4 is prerequisite. Okay.
Okay.
Why I'm saying 4 is prerequisite? Because let's suppose you want to do CCI in Cisco.
Okay.
How you will go? You will do CCNP first.
Yes.
CCNN is no more prerequisite, so I'm not considering it. CCNP, you will do the same track where you want to go for CCI, agree? And
Of course.
inside your CCNP, you will be understanding core. Core means if you are going in enterprise, you will understand, you will read about N core, correct? If you are going with
Yes.
security, you will understand S core. So S core, N core, just like in Cisco, the same way we have NSC4 in Fortinet. Getting me?
Okay.
So like this gives you core and foundational understanding about FortiOS itself. Getting me?
Okay.
And once you keep going 5, 6, 7, 8, you can say difficulty level, or you can say skills, keep adding top of NSC4. This is foundation. It gives
Okay.
you like this way. everything, something about everything. You like every part from the complete Fortinet, it will give you few parts from there. It will make
Okay.
your core strong first. Getting me?
Okay.
So that's why they are saying NSE 4, then they are saying 5, 6, 7. Those are the few skills they will be adding in all those. That's it, not more. Getting me? So even if you talk here, so even we are including NSE 4, 5, and 6, not 6, sorry, 7. Now you'll be asking how? SD-WAN is the totally concept of NSE 7, right?
Okay.
This comes inside in NSE 7 that I will teach you in the training. But now
Okay.
point is, does NSE 4 include SD-WAN? Answer is yes, it includes already. So how they are presenting their package, they are saying, okay, SD-WAN anyhow will be included in NSE 4. So they are saying NSE 7 also they will teach you. But the thing is only, this is just for saying, man, not really. That is already NSE 4. NSE 4 already included SD-WAN in itself.
Okay. No,
Getting
no,
it?
some will like in syllabus
Hello.
that NSE 4 and 5.
That's okay. Syllabus anyhow, there is not major change. I will give you that syllabus. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
But this is must to learn. If you want to learn Fortinet, go with
This is
this
the foundation
anyhow.
basic.
Exactly.
Yes.
Just like we do
Hello.
CCNP core
Yes.
fields. All right.
Hello.
Now
Okay.
let's go little ahead.
Hello.
NSC 5. I'm just answering. I'll be coming with you. Don't worry. I'm going to give you
Sorry
chance.
for interrupting. Fayaz, can you please on because echo is coming.
Yes, yes. Please
Okay, okay.
mute yourself. Actually, the voice is coming from background.
Don't mind. Please unmute. No issue. So how we planned our class? First of all, this is totally industry based. Okay. Industry based means what? There are so many things that even in NSC that is out of the scope of your NSC 4 that you will see inside my training. And if you want to see the proof and other things, please ask management. They will give you all the recordings. No issue. You can go and watch and you come back again. Okay, that's all right. So now point is, and here I think in the training, I think more there will be multiple people. They already have gone through my recordings already there in the portal. Portal means our portal, not on public domain. Sorry for that. Not all the content we are making there free, but at least good contents, enough content we are making there available and free. That's okay. So that will be totally industry based. That is the first thing. And second thing, inside the NSC 4, we are going to include FortiManager. And FortiManager in itself is a code, you can say. Getting me? Yeah, this is a code.
Okay.
They recently changed something. Earlier it was in NSC 5. So FortiManager, if I'm teaching you, I also can say, okay, see, NSC 4 is done. 5 here, because FortiManager I'm including. Why I'm including? Because this is required to understand. If you are working in real environment, you need FortiManager knowledge as well, especially VDOM concept. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So that is it. SD-WAN is also inside the NSC 4 that I can say here NSC 7. Getting me?
Yes.
So this is how they are presenting, but exactly in the back end, back the hood, that is same NSC 4 they are giving. So that is on you. They can give you
After
syllabus.
you
That's
will.
all right.
Okay. Okay. I got. Sir, you will teach in NSC 7 like SD-WAN. Then after that, we have to do SD-WAN separately, or is you teaching like that is enough?
See, there are two things in SD-WAN training. First, understanding of SD-WAN, right? That is first thing. That I will give you, and you can explain that at very good level in the interview. Now coming to the implementation part. If you talk about the implementation part, because of the license constraint, we will not be able to test 100% SD-WAN features, but we'll be able to test 70%, almost 70% plus features of SD-WAN. Getting me? But understanding wise,
sir.
you'll be getting everything and you'll be able to crack the interview. That's for sure. But implementation level, not 100% is possible in the evaluation license. 70% topics are we are going to see
Okay.
by doing. Getting it? So I am giving you honest approach, buddy. Like this we cover it, at least here. And if you talk about SD-WAN, what they do in SD-WAN, especially if you are going with the code like NSE 7, they will teach you everything of NSE 4 first. Okay, plus they will add SD-WAN. And inside the SD-WAN, NSE 4 also includes SD-WAN. That's okay. Like they will teach you NSE 4. On top of it, they will teach you AD-VPN. That's it. They are saying this is SD-WAN NSE 7. And that all the thing I will teach you inside NSE 4 only. So our training is like NSE 4, 5 plus 7. I'm not saying 6. I'm not
Okay.
teaching anything related 6. In the 6 and 7, there are few things that I already cover, but I'm not taking their name because not covering more than 30%. For example, I am covering here already enterprise firewalling. And what comes inside enterprise firewalling, that is enterprise firewalling comes with routing, especially in place. That I will cover at very decent level. You will be saying, wow, believe me. Routing, DHCP server, DNS server, like you can make your box as DHCP server, you can make your box as DNS server, you can make your FortiGate box as NTP server, and you'll be actually able to verify it. You can be able to actually use their databases to store some information in that, and you can leverage your device as central server for complete company. Yes. Not only this, guys, let me tell you, in this edition, I'll be including AAA server in the edition that nobody in the world is including in their Fortinet training. A big claim, huh? And what I'm including in this, that is Cisco Wise. I hope many of you already heard about Cisco Wise. This is NAC device that we'll be seeing in the authentication part. To support
Yeah,
it,
I
we are.
heard about a AAA radius server like that.
Yeah, you got it, buddy. Now, exactly. Nobody will teach you either the code that you are going with. Okay. So plus we will be seeing Windows Server from scratch. Yeah, these all the things are added. Now question comes, why I am including all these things? Because we are not giving you only certification things, even we are making you ready for knockout all the jobs and all the interviews once you are appearing for that. Getting it? So you are going there, you should have understanding about your AD as well, Active Directory, right? Domain controller, all those. Yeah, because inside our class there is one section that comes that is known as authentication. Very demanding nowadays in the company. Zero trust especially. Okay. So in authentication there will be two parts. First will be active authentication. Don't go with the writing, just hear me. Another one is passive authentication. So for passive authentication, we need Active Directory especially, so that we can see our FSSO agent. By the way, what is FSSO agent? I hope many of you already have heard about single sign-on, right? During authentication, it means you are going in the office, you are entering your username and password, you are getting single sign-on. This authentication is already done back the hood. Getting it? So for that, especially in FortiGate, they have their own agent that you can install on your AD server, and you can do passive authentication in place. For that reason, I need to tell you Windows Server also. Getting me? That is the first requirement. Second requirement, we will be uploading certificate on our FortiGate firewall so that it can show green signal. Yeah. Once you're trying to, let's suppose I'm opening this particular website here, it will be showing connection is secure. See my cursor. In the same way, once you are opening your firewall in any browser, it show connection is secure. For that, For that, plus for SSL inspection, we are also leveraging CA server. And who will be becoming our CA server? Again, Windows server. So AD server, CA server, those features will be installing on our Windows server from scratch. Anything you will see in the class that will not be pre-configured, everything I'll be configuring and I will demonstrate inside the class. And you will learn it from scratch. Getting it? Yeah. If any question, good. Otherwise, you can browse their library, their certification. That's all right. Yeah, any question? There are multiple questions. After completing NSE4 entry for NSE7, no. Faiz, can you mute, please? Echo is coming, okay. Someone SSL VPN, I'll be trying to cover here. Okay, for that purpose, I was talking about that CA part right now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, but that requires licensed version of your firewall.
Oh,
Subject matter to license. Okay.
okay. So any pre-recorded sessions will be there if we will not be able to complete this.
I have, yes, I have.
Okay. And Amit sir, one more thing. Anything in terms of SASE will going to be covered? Because
SAS,
anything.
oh, okay. Right. You are asking right question. So
Yeah.
say rarely any institute is giving this training, first of all. Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
Everything is licensed here. So like they are not good towards providing things. Kishore, I think batch is already started, buddy. Might be tomorrow at the same time you will be getting day 0
For
or day
SASE.
1. No. Sorry, I was answering question from the chat. Okay.
Okay, sir.
SASE, I'll be giving you infrastructure view. Okay, their architecture.
Okay, sir, will batch start tomorrow or already going?
Just breathe for you. Sorry, boss. I don't have idea actually. So I think this
From
batch.
tomorrow onwards, we will be starting the batch. So tomorrow will be the day 1 session for the enrolled one.
Okay. Great.
Yes. Good. Okay.
Sir, in SASE, as your name comes, okay. When Amit sir name comes, so my expectation is very much high. So in SASE, anything like DLP or say SWIG, CASB, anything will be covered or just it will be the introductory session?
Okay. Once we are saying SASE, first of all, we do not provide training, boss. Honestly
Okay.
saying.
Okay.
So, but as you said, I'll be giving you architectural view of that. Okay. No issue.
Okay. Yeah.
How it
Fine.
works and how you can like. This is their cloud solution. There they are doing what they are actually centrally managing all the things from here.
Okay.
So
Sir, as in Palo Alto training, there is a Prisma Access also. They are giving some kind of briefing. So in the similar way, you will cover, right?
yes, I will cover more than that. Don't worry. I'll be cover
Okay.
at that level. At least you will have interview level idea. Like, oh, what is that
Exactly.
actually? No worry.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah.
So I already got chance to do hands-on on SASE platform. Okay. So because I am also partner with Fortinet, right? So they usually provide such trainings to their partners.
Yes, sir. Actually, I had an experience on Netscope and Zscaler, but
Mhm.
never got a chance to explore myself in this 40 SASE. So that's why I was asking. Okay.
No issue. No issue. We'll be telling. Who was concerned about NSE4 and NSE7? Guys, see, earlier they were saying like FCP, this type of code they were running in the market. Now they are totally gone from this part. FCP, they don't talk about FCP. They are now saying NSE4, NSE5 itself. And this is their latest announcement from Fortinet. So if you want to see it, you go downside, you will see all the things. They are giving you labels. Fortinet certified professional. And the code you'll be getting as security operations. For that, you need to beat these 2 certifications. And these all are just like that. Cybersecurity, that's sort fundamental associate. Then they are saying professional. For that, they have NSE 4 and NSE 5. They're saying the FCP security operation certification validates your ability to secure network. Like all the things that we are going to see this level, go little up. And from here, they are not including SD1, just ignore it. They are more talking nowadays, guys, about SASE. So no worry. Someone I requested also, I'll be included in the class. Don't worry. Okay. We'll give you granular view of the same, like how SASE they are implementing and how it is going to make very big impact inside your security era. That is one thing. And guys, one thing very interesting I want to share with you all, that is NSE 8 certification from Fortinet. This is exactly like your CCIE in Cisco. This is lab exam, guys. See here, there is practical exam. See, written and NSE 8 practical. Just like CCIE, if you want to go similar pattern. This is expert. All right. Yes, if you are NSE 8, you means you are the, what is that? You are triple down in industry. All right. Yes. And every vendor has expert level training. So this was very brief about that. Let me go ahead and share with you. Like I'll be not telling you anything without having proof. Let me tell you everything by showing proof. All right. So I'm going to take access of my lab first of all. Let me show you some topologies that we'll be leveraging inside our class, and we will be seeing all the concepts in the go. Sorry for this topology, buddy. FortiGate. Here is that. So guys, these all are the labs that we will be seeing inside class. I think there is others as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. That's enough. That is good. So I think in this sequence, you are able to see all these labs that we'll be doing. I will say not lab, I will say topology. These are the topologies that we'll be seeing.
Sir, I have one question.
Hmm.
So whether you will going to cover the next generation firewall features like decryption, app ID, user ID, content ID, and all that?
In this, that is the Palo Alto proprietary, by the way. So we will be not specifically covering in that way, but yes, all the things are here inside your next generation firewall feature.
Yeah,
Once
this is
you say,
also
yeah,
this is also next generation firewall, right? Fortinet.
yeah, exactly. It is not less than Fort Palo Alto, buddy.
Yeah, that is why I was asking. Decryption and all lab will be
Yeah, here
covered.
is that. Yes, SSL inspection,
Okay, yeah.
same thing.
Okay, yeah.
We will be seeing next generation. I'm going to show you. Wait, let me show you first, then we'll be moving ahead. Let me show you the interface, buddy, first of all.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah.
Interface will be good if I want to show something. One sec, guys. I'm sure. Syllabus, you kindly take it from management, they will give you. Okay. Someone asked in the chat, syllabus. Okay. No issue. Anyhow, I will be writing it here. I might sound little weird, but I don't believe in syllabus and other things. I always cover more than syllabus. Sophos is also including with this. Where, Khushi? Where you want to include Sophos? In VPN time, if you want, I can show you. Okay. Sophos is separate training, by the way. And you usually do not provide training on that because of the demand. Yes, yes, VPN I'll be telling. Yes, no worry. VPN I will show you how to do VPN configuration. Because after this part that you are going to see the topology, like not topology, the view of your firewall. Then after that, I'll be moving towards the topology part. Then we'll explain one by one where we can leverage that one. Why I opened this one? Reason is it is already set, and this is one of the ongoing batch. From there, I'm already using this, so I thought, why not? Let's take it up. You might have many questions like from where will we you will be getting lab, that I'll be giving you guys. I means your trainer will be setting up lab instance for you and will provide you. First, second, where you will be getting notes of your classes, that I'll be doing, that I'll be sharing with you. Let me show you in this way, guys. You see, let's suppose I'm taking example of the first topology that is in the front of you, this topology. In this topology, I'll be covering these three main topics. First off, basic IP configuration, basics of your firewall, then routing and net in detail. And this particular guide you will be getting, that is including your GUI as well in the notes making. You can see. All right. And where it is required, you see notes, important things already written inside the live class. So someone, whatever you have seen in the recorded classes, this is something beyond that you are
Yes,
going to get.
yes, yes, sir.
So see GUI, everything, like how it is working, how you will be accessing it, everything. All right. See,
Yep, yep.
and I'm also showing here after putting the things, so that once you are doing your hands-on lab, you not need to struggle, you not need to search here and there. I'll be giving you lab platform with every topology and other documents handy with that. You just need to open your topology. You take the credential from us. You go, you should have internet access. That's it. You go and open your lab, start doing your lab. Your lab guide will be already inside your topology. And how it will look, I'll be showing after some time. No worry. So this is exactly how I'm doing, and I'm showing here. And on live class, in live class, I'm making all these notes in front of you. Nothing is pre-made. Everything will be done. Whatever you are seeing in the training, that will be written on the note. Okay? Live, exactly. It will be followed with you. So this is only first topology that is covering almost 11 labs. Total 11 labs. See, net in action right now, it is working. Okay, so there will not be any gap towards your learning. You'll be getting almost everything that you need to learn. Only one thing is expected from everybody here: intent to learn. Okay, follow the procedure. Okay, don't go and give more gaps inside the next sessions. Like when you are not coming today, you're not coming tomorrow, so there will be big logs, log back for you. Backlog should not be there. Please keep coming every day and keep doing your lab. Let it not be backlog, otherwise you'll be definitely yes. That I'm going to tell you after some time. Wait. HA is the main thing, buddy. Okay, so let me show you first of all this particular internal thing where which feature will be covering. IP is 100. This is pre-configured. I'm just, oops, ooh, okay, good impression, no issue. Nothing need to worry. Evaluation license, guys, free ka chandan. Don't mind. Sometimes for every problem there is solution. So let me take it. Nobody, don't mind, guys. Huh? I do not want to fix it right now. I want to show you something right now. It usually doesn't take much time to come up. Let it come up. I don't remember the password. Wait. Okay. Really? What will be the password, buddy? Oh wow, it worked. System interface. It has 199. Actually, guys, you know what is happening nowadays? Let me give you complete idea. These next generation firewalls and other firewall companies, they are literally very active. You know what they are doing? In the case your any appliance, any box that you are using freely, if anyhow it is able to reach internet, they are going to check your firmware. And if they are getting it, okay, this is evaluation and you're not using as per their rules, they will ask you to upload license. So what I am doing nowadays, I usually do not let the device go towards internet. I make it offline and do show all the things. Okay. Because they are nowadays they are very active. Okay. It might also give issue in this one. No issue, by the way. Config system. I will give you idea, don't worry, how you will use. Set mode static, first of all, set IP. Okay, buddy. 101 I've given. That's all right. Ooh. Okay. I'm impressed. Just patience for 1 minute, guys. I'm going to show it. Nothing, na? Good. Get system status. This is how you can check the license. License status is valid, right? Okay, good. I wipe the node. That's a good practice if you are not getting anything done. So I am simply I'm going to give one IP on the management port. By the way, in my case, I'm using port 5 as management, but by default port of management is port 1. So let's go ahead and see it if it works now. Don't make any mistake. Don't make any excuse now, buddy. Now it worked. Okay. So someone see. Once you go inside it, everybody, you all focus here, huh? Because you all need to go with this all these. So dashboard, this is anyhow to see monitoring things, okay? Especially for monitoring. It is dashboard. I hope everyone aware about what is dashboard all about. So once you will click on it, it has already so many pre-made things available. See, like first of all, we are inside status one. It is showing system information, license, FortiGate, virtual machine, all those. See, who has administrators, who is administrating my box. So from two places, one is from console and one is using HTTP. See, GUI is already accessible using HTTP, and console is already been taken using secure CRT. So both the thing it is showing here. Getting it? Security, it will show you all the security related dashboard here. Network, all the network related dashboard here. IPsec, SD-WAN, DHCP, SSL, VPN, all those. Then user related things. Okay, everything will be shown here. That's all right. But might be concern will come in your head. Okay, can I make my own? Yes, you click on add dashboard here and you can give the name of your dashboard and you can create your own. Not only that, you can also add in the pre-made also your one by clicking on add widget, and here you can add. You can add, you can decorate it as per your requirement. Okay, it is totally on you. You can resize, you can remove, all whatever you want to do. I removed one of them. All right. Not only that, you have some session related things also. If you want to monitor something, you can from here. If you want to see the logs, you can see here. Logs and monitoring part is here, guys. Getting it? That I'll be telling you in very detail. Huh? This is just quick one. And then here are all the network related stuff. See, interface, DNS, routing, SD-WAN, packet capture, all those, policy routes, BGP, multicast, routing objects, all those. Then comes towards your policy and objects, where your net policy, right? Your DOS policy, correct? Your virtual IP, your netting, your pool, your firewall policy, especially, that is very, very important. That comes in the picture. All right. Your firewall policy comes in the picture. Then below it, if you go, you will see security profile. Wow. Guys, this is something that is known as next generation firewall feature. Okay.
Yes.
That I'll be covering, buddy. Antivirus, web filter, video filter, DNS filter, application control, intrusion prevention, file filter. Wow. SSL, SSH inspection. That's why I was saying SSL inspection there, if you remember. It is that you are talking about SSL decryption there.
Decryption, yeah, correct, yeah.
Okay. Or SSL forwarding sometime, okay. Application signature, IPS signature, web rating override. This is all about how your website, like everything I'll be telling you from scratch in one class, not possible. That takes multiple classes to cover. Then here your VPN section comes in the picture. Very, very important. You see IPsec is here, right? You have SSL VPN here. All right. Then your authentication comes in the picture. Here. I was telling little before, single sign on, Radius server, LDAP server, you can connect from here. Getting it?
Yes.
You can connect this box with AD server. And how you'll be doing? I'll be telling you everything, not need to do from your end. And believe me, you are going to get whatever you are expecting so far. Even it is not coming in your head, you are going to see all the things live. And not only that, Radius server you can connect, or you can connect some ICE devices as well. That's okay. Some ICE means network access controller or control device. Then there is system related things. Then here your HA comes in the picture, guys. Here your HA comes in the picture and your transparent firewall comes in the picture. Heard about transparent mode?
Yes.
It is not like Palo Alto. It literally start working like switch.
Oh.
Your Palo Alto works on the basis of its ports, right? You can deploy your Palo Alto port in such a way like it is behaving like it is switch, right? But it exactly has option. You can deploy this box in L2 mode that you will be seeing inside the system. Not only system here, administrator part also you will see. Administrator parts means who is able to access your this box. Like you are in the company, you are security admin, you can access your firewall box. You have some colleagues, they are little lower in the rank inside your company, you will be giving them access of only view access. These all the things we can control from here. We can make your profile, all those. You want to upgrade your firmware, you can do from here. You want to enable or disable some features, you can do from here. Okay. You want to connect this box with SASE system, you can go in the fabric and you can do from security fabric. Okay. Fabric connectors you can use, external connectors you can use, and you can connect with whom? With some external central devices. Not from FortiManager. For FortiManager connectivity, nothing. These things not required. This is for their latest technologies or latest solutions in the market. And especially for your log and report, you have a special section in this. With the name of log and report, you can see all the things at the same place. See, all the logs related, events and everything. Is it making sense? See, your routing related logs, all those, see, router events, we like just like debug guys in Cisco we use, na? Heard about debug? Everybody? Debug.
Yes. Yes.
Here is that. In this one. I think it was very, top level view. Sorry, few people not enjoyed it. I know it was going little bit top. That's okay. But still, I'll be leveraging some more time to tell you the syllabus that I will cover. Syllabus in the context of, first I will show you all the topologies one by one. Then I'll be telling you what I'll be covering with this topology. First,
Sir,
you are, yeah.
Sir, anything in terms of zero-day attack, likewise in Palo Alto, something like wildfire is a concept, right? So in Fortinet, anything like wildfire?
We are not including so far. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
And sir, in the Fortinet GUI which you were showing, in that under security something like that, there was something like automation was there. What was there, sir?
Where was that?
That security fabric.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So what can be done in terms of automation?
You want to connect with some APIs, right?
Yeah.
It has Libres, but it will not support, by the way. Don't be very happy. In that case, it will not be actually connecting with that. For that, we need license. But yes, like automation is everywhere, right? You can leverage Python, right? In backend, and you can make your some scripting and you can push that using some tools or.
Sir, will you going to show some basic use cases of automation?
In the automation, literally nobody. So why I am saying, because it doesn't support any like something. So how can I explain that? That is the issue. But in the case you want to see Python as a language, I do teach that to network security professionals. That's okay. For that, if you guys need, I'll be giving you link of our CCNP security class. You guys must join there and you can learn Python and how you can write your scripts, how you can automate using Python. That's all right. And very soon I'm going to use AI tools also to do these configurations. Okay.
In FortiManager? Sorry, in FortiGate?
Everywhere it can do like that. Is not going to see if you have like it will only take access of your box and everything it will do.
Okay.
You just need to give commands. I am already working on it.
So zero touch provisioning you are talking about ZTP?
No.
Okay.
Not that part. I'm not talking about that, but just like Cisco Catalyst Center, they are doing all those, na? Not exactly the same thing I'm saying here, but I'm just developing on MCP server. Okay.
Yeah.
That MCP server will be let me connect with so many AI platforms like AI
Got your point. Yeah.
And it will help me to configure this part. Like this, routers, switches, all those. Okay. All right. So let me show the topology now. 12 people are very serious, I think, and others have already left. Okay. Thank you for being here, guys. Believe me, if we are doing 2, 3, 4 demos, we are going to cross 50 people. Thank you. So guys, these all are the topologies that we are going to see. First topology I am clicking, already have shown you. This topology we will be using and will be covering NAT, routing, and basics. Like initial day, like tomorrow you are coming, you will see this topology. And it will run at least for 1 week. And we'll be covering NAT in very detail, routing in very detail, basics. I'll be going throughout the first week very slow, so that I can create foundational understanding in you. If you are new, no need to worry. Come and do whatever I'm suggesting you to do. Just focus in the class, and it is my surety you will be understanding it anyhow. If you're not understanding it, I am going to give you option. You can unmute yourself and ask till the time you not got the concept. This is, I don't know, like if there is anyone who will give you this leverage. Go ahead and ask questions till the time you're not satisfied. Okay. I always try to make concept very simple so that you can get it. But in the case you're not getting it, you have leverage to ask multiple questions. Believe me, I'm very cool person. I'm very calm person from head point of view. And I'll be answering your questions very calmly, with the very calm. Okay. Be happy. So NAT, basics, and routing will be seeing using this topology. This is the topology number 1. And I'll be giving you notes like this. All right. Not need to throw your sweat to make your notes. Just focus on the concept and keep doing lab and learn the concept. That's it. Totally, your focus should be laser sharp focus towards that learning. Okay. Let's come back from lab number 1, topology number 1. I'll be making the name topology, sorry. And then second lab we are going to see, that is VPN. Now I'll be answering, there was someone, Khushi asked like, so first I'll be covering. Yes, Khushi, I'll be covering it. You see, this is Cisco vendor, this is Fortinet. We are going to do VPN setup between them. You can ask me, okay, take one Palo Alto here. I'll be taking Palo Alto. No worry. You are saying, okay, take Sophos firewall here. I have all the setup. Don't worry. I will take Sophos. Then again, you are saying, take Checkpoint. I'll be taking Checkpoint. You are saying, oh, I'm not satisfied. Take here ASA. I'll be taking ASA. You are saying, okay, Fortinet. I'll be taking, oh, sorry, FTD. Cisco. I'm taking FTD. I think major firewalls are covered. No, someone is saying, okay, cover pfSense. I will not cover it. This is open source, by the way. Okay. This is open source. You already can get all the information I will give you. Okay. No need to do. This is open source firewall. You know, guys, have heard about pfSense? Free.
Yes.
And good one. I sometimes use this as WAN emulator. In the training, pfSense I use as WAN emulator. Very good. It is very intelligent. So yeah, Khushi, you got the answer? Yeah, we'll be covering VPN in very detail. So first we'll be seeing VPN between firewall, Fortinet. Then we'll be seeing between different vendors with Fortinet. And 2 flavors, site to site and remote access. This totally depends on the license. And believe me, guys, so far we don't have any active license. I believe till that time there will be any, I'll be showing you this. But in the case you are wondering, okay, hey, listen, Amit, you have not told this, but I want to learn it. I want to see it. I'll be giving you recording. Okay, don't worry. I have already recording with me. I'll be sharing that recording with you. That is only in English. That's okay. If somebody is very good in Hindi and not very much comfortable in English, kindly consider, and you can learn all the concepts step by step from there as well. There also I made the complex things easy. Don't worry. Huh?
Sir,
Everything.
this remote access part, no evaluation license will be available.
No,
Any
evaluation they don't provide. Yes. Even
any
SSL
jugaad?
they do not provide.
Any jugaad?
No jugaad nowadays, buddy. Listen, see. You heard, na? I was saying it is able to go on internet. They are removing its license, buddy.
Yes, yes.
Now,
Got
how
it.
can we
Yeah.
expect they will give any license? No, they are not going to. Even I'm partner with them. They are not going to give me.
Okay, okay.
They are saying you
Yeah.
purchase some device, then I will give. I'm saying no.
Okay, yeah.
But I know where to get licensed version. Don't worry.
Okay.
That is cloud. Okay. Freely they are providing them. 100% phase. I am not completed so far. So before going in that, this is the simple one I'm saying. You will say, yeah, really? Yes. What is the hard one in the VPN? Basics of VPN. Basics of VPN is very hardest parts inside the VPN. And this basic of VPN, your interviewer is going to ask you in the interview. He'll be asking you, tell me what is the phases. Explain phase 1. He will say you explain phase 2. So for basics, one, you can say before this, I'll be showing few routers, will connect them and explain basic concept first. For that, I will take one complete day and will explain you all the basics. Then we'll be jumping on it. Then we'll be leveraging other features. In the Fortinet, we have many mode to configure your VPN. We have template wizards. That's we call template based VPN. We can create very, very simple, buddy. Even you will be saying, oh, really? It is very easy. Yes. You click next, VPN is created. Okay. Very simple. But I also will explain you how to do manual VPN configuration here. Yes. Good. Because in the case you are doing that VPN configuration with router, router doesn't support GUI even, na? Like, see guys, it supports GUI also, but people don't use GUI in the routers. I hope everyone will be with me, right? Cisco routers, you use GUI mode. No, na? You use CLI of Cisco. Anyhow, I'll be doing all the things here, CLI, and also here in the GUI, I'll be using manual approach for VPN set. That is in the context of side to side. Remote access, we are not going to take Cisco any connect and will connect as remote access. No. We'll be taking most probably 40 client here. They have their own client that most probably you install inside your user's PC. In the case they want to work from home, they will try to connect using 40 client and you will be giving that person access of your internal network. That we guys, na, in the companies. Yes. So that will be saying in the licensed version. Okay. So I think that part is answered now. That was your question. Let's go to lab number 3. Where is that? HA is transparent firewall, guys. L2 mode. It will work like switch, but its firewalling capability on. Believe me, you will be enjoying this class. Our firewall, almost all the firewall in the market by default, they run in L3 mode. It means there all the interfaces will support IP. Once you will configure this firewall in L2 mode, it doesn't need IP on these interfaces. It will become as switch. But it will still inspect your traffic if it is going from here to here, like through traffic, still it will be applying firewall policy on it. Okay. Yeah. That I will show you during demonstration. No theory, guys. Like no only theory, not only theory. We will be centralized towards our lab. In between, where it is required, I'll be giving you theoretical knowledge. At the same time, I will put that theory part inside your notes. Okay? Yeah. I'm not going to tell, okay, let's understand theory of HA. Okay, so HA is like this, that. Then I'll be start configuring and I'll be typing the theory part by connecting that part with your lab inside your nodes. Okay. Transparent firewall, then we have SD-WAN, that NSE 7 we are talking about. We'll be seeing here all the things, how you can optimize your WAN side. And you see, guys, here your documents will be, in this way you will be getting the documents. Once your lab will be open, you can open here and you can start doing your lab. See? Able to see everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Will the concept of IPsec in FortiGate and Palo Alto? See, concept of IPsec, every vendor is same. Okay? So do not worry. In every vendor, the concept of technologies are same. Only the way of configuring them are different. Okay? So that I'll be explaining. But I will make sure I also will give you conceptual understanding also, like not only the vendor specific. No. First you will learn the real concept, then you will be going and configuring in this. It means after finishing your even FortiGate, this will be not good part for management, but you will be able to even configure your Palo Alto without needing more effort from someone else. Getting it? Yeah, because the conceptual understanding will be very good. Okay? Yeah, because I'll be first explaining you basics, then we'll be moving ahead towards the configuration. Even the basic also will be on the basis of configuration, lab 1, but you'll be understanding it. The concept here is learned by doing. This is the concept that we are applying. Okay. And this is the world's best approach so far that everyone should use, if not using. So guys, this type of lab guide you will get very smallest lab guide is that, but that is just for sample. You'll be getting complete. Once that is done, your authentication will be coming in the picture that I was talking. We can add here iServer as well, and that we can connect with this. If somebody coming inside your network, that person will be authenticated all the way through here and will be getting the access. If somebody is logged in this firewall box and trying to run some command, that first will be going the iServer, and iServer will leverage it, it will allow it, then only it will be doing the configuration implemented here. Okay, and what protocol we can see here? That is radius and radius only. Takax plus is also there. But this is Cisco one. Most probably you will see in the Cisco one. So that's why I'm saying only radius. And here you will be configuring your Windows server. You see, not only configuring the Windows server, even you will go inside your PC and let these people join that domain controller. Just like you do, let's suppose your company name is ABC. Correct? You will be going inside your company laptop and you will say, okay, user 1 and password you are putting test123, for example. Okay. But once you will give this information, you will be logged inside abc.org. Like this DC can see you like you are in the laptop, you are in the system. Yeah. So for that reason, we also will be integrating your domain controller on this particular PC. Why? To check the SSO feature, single sign-on feature inside your authentication class. Is it making sense, everybody?
Yes.
Yes.
Once that is done, then we'll be doing our wonderful thing, that is see it and feel it first.
Complex lab.
By the way, this is complex lab, you are right, but it will solve your all the complexity. Whatever you have learned in all those classes that is previously has been done, This lab is here, capstone lab. And what does it mean? It means whatever concept you have learned so far inside your class, all the concept will be applied all together in this topology. And you will be configured. You see, FortiManager is here because the topology is bigger now. But anyhow, how can I show you FortiManager concept? You should have multiple sites, right? So all the people will be landed to this particular big box in one VDOM, and we'll be administrating from there. We'll be pushing the policies, we'll be pushing the routing, all those features here, here, and here. We'll be doing all the configuration here. We'll be pushing them on those FortiGate boxes. That is all about your NSE 5, guys, whatever you have heard in the market. That I'll be sure. Don't worry, I already have attended their trainings, to check what they teach. Don't worry. We are going to already cover more than, at least more than double what they cover inside their training. If you don't believe, you go on YouTube and already have taught more than, so far I think more than 60 hours free there. You can search it. All these concepts only. Might be there few concepts will be repeated, that's okay, but at least if you ask me to give you good playlist, I can suggest you this video you watch, and you will have at least 70% understanding of Fortinet Firewall. That is freely available on YouTube, on our channel. You now that only that person can understand who has already knowledge about Fortinet. Okay. In the case you want to see, you can go and search there. All right. Yeah, that's all right. HA is here, don't wonder. I missed it. दो जिस्म एक जान, HA, cluster. Guys, 2 body 1 soul. That we also will see. But this is device level HA, na? So far, I also will show you port level HA. Not high availability anyhow, that is the big concept. We also will see port channel and other things as well. Not only that, I did not include so many things that I'm going to give you. That also you will see inside your training. Very big syllabus now, I think it seems to everybody. Sorry guys if you're getting bored, but I will show you VLAN concept as well inside your firewall, okay? Don't worry. Have you guys heard about ACL?
Yes, access control list.
It works on the basis of L3 address, right? L3 and L4, correct?
Yeah.
Yes.
Good. Have you heard about VLAN?
Yes.
I think.
L2.
So let's suppose here is a switch and it is connecting to different departments. Here is IT, that is the very basic one. Here is marketing from Cisco book. That they tell inside their books. In my college time, I read their books, okay? Once I was in my college, I started reading Cisco books. So see, IT marketing. Now see what will happen. It means it might be VLAN 10, it might be VLAN 20. It means they logically lose their connectivity, right? They are separated. If you want them to communicate, then you need some L3 person's involvement who will help them to talk with each other. Agree, yes, no? Yeah. But in the case you are leveraging some people in at L3 level, what this buddy will do, it will allow every communication. Yes, no? Like everything will be available between them to talk with each other. Correct? But it's sometimes what happens, let's suppose there are in IT, there are few people, you want them to talk with marketing, all the peoples only. But there are few people you do not want them to give access of marketing team. So how you can do it? You're getting me? Like you are doing inter-VLAN communication. You are allowing it, but I'm saying make restriction in this. Not thought anytime, na? Because VLAN anyhow work at MAC address, right? Agree? Yes, no?
Yes.
Why I'm saying MAC address? Because VLAN is the concept of L2 switch.
Yes.
So how you can leverage their access, like how you can restrict them, that part we are going to see inside your firewall. That is first thing. By the way, if you are wondering about how you can do in the real environment in Cisco and others, there is very good concept that is known as VLAN ACL. What is that? I think many of you are hearing this first time, but no worry. VLAN ACL, VACL. Okay? If you want to learn it, you join my Cisco classes. I'm making good at, bro. Sorry, huh? Sorry. Okay. So this was it, guys. If you have any question, you can ask. Over to you. I'll be very happy to see you guys in next class. But before going that, I will be very happy to answer your doubts, your questions. Go ahead and shoot your questions. I'm here to give you customized answer.
Sir, anything like policy-based forwarding and route-based
Yes.
forwarding, that
Yeah,
concept,
already there. Already there. Yeah.
so it will be covered, right, here?
Yeah, already. That is the part of routing, by the way. That I'll
Okay,
be covering.
there is something like FortiAnalyzer is also there, right? What is that? I just heard a
That is
name.
that is solution from Fortinet. That is just like you have FortiGate, you have FortiManager, you have FortiAnalyzer also there in the market.
So means FortiManager is
Log
like a
and monitoring.
panorama, right? If I'm
No.
comparing, no.
FortiManager is like Panorama.
Yeah. So what is FortiAnalyzer actually? If I'm comparing with Polo, then what
This
basically?
is just a analyzer, you can say. It can help you to logging and monitoring.
Oh, okay. Got your point. Yeah. Means centralized, how many FortiGate devices are there in place that we can check it via this centralized platform, right? FortiAnalyzer.
Yeah, exactly. You can see all the logs and you monitoring part you can do from there simply.
So is it like a SIM tool? SIM.
You can say like that, but FortiManager itself has that feature. It can be enabled for FortiManager as well as analyzer at the same time.
Okay.
But if you want to purchase separate license, they can give you. They are there to make money.
Okay. Yeah.
But I don't like Fortinet people, believe me. Might be they will be saying me why I say always in all the trainings. They see my videos, But I just I want to say they are very greedy people. They should give license at least to instructors, right?
Yeah.
And believe me, guys, you bring your license. Believe me, I'm going to give you world-class training. Even you have not even thought like this feature is really available inside box. Yes, buddy. There are so many features that we never can explore in evaluation license, right? But if you're bringing the license, believe me, like license is available there. That is very high cost. No? That's like they will be asking me, okay, pay me 1.5 lakhs. Why I will pay them? Tell me. Even I know, like you guys, like 100 people are coming, then we are going to collect, I think, this much of money in the training. So like 10 batch money already upfront I will give to Fortinet. No chance. They should give like Cisco, right? Cisco has their ICE appliance freely available throughout the globe. Yes, no. You want to do lab, you can do it. There all the features are available free. They have FTD, like anyhow, that is illegal one, but yes, that is there. FMC is there. Yes, no. All the things are there. Why these people? I don't know. That's why I think they are very behind in the market. No, not mandatory phase. CCNP NRC is not mandatory. What is mandatory? Let me tell you. First of all, very nice question. You are asking at very right time. Let me tell you guys. So if you guys are coming in my training, especially, make sure you should have CCNP level good knowledge. Otherwise, some things will be going just top of your head. CCNA will not be enough. Sorry, I think Vijay asked me this question in starting. I said, okay. Vijay, are you here? Hi, Vijay. Sorry, I'm
Yes,
just
sir. Yes,
crossing
sir.
your question. But CCNP label, why I am saying, because few things I will tell you, especially routing part. there you might need help for that level knowledge. That's okay. If you don't have, I will give you concrete idea, but I cannot explain routing concepts in the
So
firewall.
I do have a routing knowledge like OSPF, EIGRP, RIP, all those things. I know that, but
That is
I
good.
don't know about the BGP.
Okay. So now point is, do you know about policy map although? Policy map,
Like
route map.
ACL, I know ACL, sir. Policy map, like what, sir?
This is advanced routing.
No, sir. Whatever in CCNA taught, I know that only.
No. This is CCNP. Even not completely in CCNP. Even few people learn it in NRC. Okay.
Okay, sir.
NRC means advanced routing from Cisco. No issue. Right now, I don't have any batch also. But if you want to get the video, you kindly ask. I think there are few videos on our YouTube. I'll be giving you that on routing. Okay.
Okay.
Don't do. That anyhow is freely available there. I'm not giving from my end. That is already there in public domain. I know you might not have seen that, but okay. Because we don't care about that SEO and all those. Like our team is just, okay, we are launching this batch demo. So they just send that video. That's it. They are not working on that part. I think they should work. And most probably very soon they are going to work on it. Yeah. So no issue, guys. If you don't have any question, I will be very happy to see you in the next class.
Sir.
Hmm.
Sir, one request. Throughout the course, please keep the same momentum, okay? So that we will not feel bored at any time. Okay.
I try to do it, buddy, but sometimes what happens? Let me give you my vyatha. So what happens? Sometimes I also do corporate training for 8 hours. Okay. And before coming in this class, I already have attended 2 batches, 2 hours. Then I'm coming in your batch at 9. Getting it?
Yeah.
Now 10 hours already somebody has spoken. Now you can imagine what type of energy that buddy will have. But don't worry.
Yes.
You will not get my energy down. Don't worry. Energy will be at the same place. Even next day I'll be ill for complete day. But
Yes. I got your point, sir. Yeah.
after 9, even there is one batch still waiting. That I'm already crossing the time. They should have been started from 10.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
But okay, this was the demo. I wanted to give you good time to you all. But anyhow, guys, don't worry. The energy will be same because I always teach by shouting.
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir.
I do not, believe me, if you're listening me, you will not feel sleepy. This is my promise. But if you're not listening me,
yeah,
you're not attached your headphone in your ear and you are just like in your head and you're watching here and there, believe me.
Yeah.
After 2-3 classes, you will stop coming in the batch. Reason is, I also ask questions in the classes.
Yeah.
Okay, I will keep asking. Okay, what do you think about this? Somebody I have not read that concept will say, okay, man, this is very bad person. It always keep asking, huh?
Yeah.
And sometimes I take name also of the candidates. Okay, for example, we have Sachin. Hi, Sachin. What do you understand from this concept? So Sachin will say, oh man, it is calling me. So
Yeah.
yeah. Thank you so much, guys, for coming in the class. I think you guys are very energetic. And
Thank you,
we'll
sir.
see you in next class. All right. Bye-bye. Take care, guys. All the best. Keep learning. We'll see you tomorrow at 9 p.m. Bye. Okay, I'm getting few. Thank you. Thank you so much, everybody. Bye-bye.
Thank you.